Alright, so here we have a system, and we want to find the value of one cube and one heart, kind of like finding the value of x and kind of like finding the value of y. So we're going to be using one equation to help us with the other by using substitution methods. We're going to be substituting values in certain places. For example, I noticed that in the second equation here we have 3 cubes. So here's a cube, here's a cube, here's a cube, and one heart. That's going to be equal to 7. So wherever I see 3 cubes and one heart, they're equivalent to 7. So if you look in the first equation, here is 3 cubes and one heart. That's equivalent to 7. Also, looking in the first equation, I see again we have 3 cubes and one heart. That is also 7. So basically, in the first equation, we now have 7 plus 7 plus a cube is equal to 15. Well, when you put 7 and 7 together, you get 14. So 14 and 1 cube equals 15. Well, that must mean that the cube has to be equal to 1, because 14 plus 1 is 15. So 1 cube, that's 1. I can take that value now and plug it into any of the equations. So here, if I look at this, I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 and the heart equal to 7. Well, the heart must equal 4, because you have 3 plus the heart equal to 7. So the heart's got to be 4. So we have found that the cube is 1, the heart is 4. We basically have solved the system. And you could think of a cube being equivalent to x and a heart being equivalent to y, so that this equation really was like saying that you had 7x and 2y equal to 15, and then this was like saying that you had 3x plus 1y equals 7. It's really not much different at all. So we just solved the systems, and those are like 2 of the equations that you could have solved. 7x plus 2y equals 15, and 3x plus y equals 7.